Rồi.
Now I want to do welcome back to American Textbook Reading. I'm going to start my name. So today I will talk about lesson 14, solid, liquid and gas. So this is the three matters and this also a three forms. So in this lesson you will discover three of these matter and three forms. So in this lesson, we'll talk about three matters: is solid, liquid, and gas. Here we have a solid, a liquid here, and this is a gas. So let's come with our solid. Here you can see many large marble and small marble. So all of these you can see that it is round, and sometimes they are big like this, but they are big like this, and this is even smaller. This is smaller, okay, and this is the smallest. Here, this is the smallest, right? And a solid is a form of matter with its own shape. And the solid, you can see here is big and here is small, and this is the smallest, right? Let's come with a liquid. A liquid is matter that flows and takes the shape of its container. Here, a cup is an example of a container. So, this orange juice is made also like this cup of container. And this apple is also have some water in it too, and it's made this because we put it on the freezer. So it will be very cold, and the apples will freeze back. Okay? So let's come with our gas. Here is the third matter we have done. We have gas, solid, and liquid. So that is the three matter. Gas is matter that contains said to fill its container. It's like a liquid, but not filled. It's like the container. Here can you see this in here? Wow! You can see lots and lots of in it, but do not blow it bigger than this, or it will pop and make a sudden pop. Then we don't know. Pop! We will fly into the air and shut down on our feet. They go hurt the leg. Ouch! 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 Here, this balloon. Wow! You can see this right here. So, just be careful if you come to gas. Gas can pop out, and the gas will jump the face when it's very hot. Here, we have a vapor. Vapor. Vapor is water in the air that you can sometimes see. Here can you see the smoke? It is a vapor. So sometimes you can see it's right. You can see it's flow, flow, flow. vapor. But when this egg are out, you can make it. It will come to here and here, okay? But this egg is round. This egg is bigger. Oh, this egg is also round. But it's not round. So why is it is round? Why is it is round? So do not make it already. Let's go with our freeze. Freeze means to change from a liquid to a solid. So freeze is the opposite of vapor. Now, melt is the opposite of freeze, and freeze is the opposite of vapor. Of freeze. Okay? Liquid down to solid. If you want to freeze some ice cube, just put something in the freezer, and the freezer will help that water to freeze, and it will be very hot. But when you use a hammer, boom, it will turn into some pieces. Okay? Here we have a container. A container is something that you can put things in. So here my mom have a container also where I would like to see. Oh, it's not here. It's not a good time to show you, but my mom containers is missing, so I'll find later and go for you to see. Here we have melted. Melt means to change from solid to a liquid. So you can see liquid, solid, liquid. So you know that is a vapor. Here, it's like a, you can see it. Do not eat this. So now I have talked to you that is a vapor is the opposite of a freeze. So freeze and melt is the opposite of all of them. So this ice cream is melted. Here we have oil. Boil is like vapor too. If you boil, the vapor will flow out of this big thing. So just be careful if you boil. Boil means to make a liquid hot. If you go to the fire and boil you up, you'll be die because the fire is very big and you is very small. You cannot live in the fire all day long. Okay? And this water is boil up. So this will be liquid to gases. Here we have flow. Flow means for a liquid move lightly. Here can you see people is pouring this water down and it moves lightly like a fountain. A fountain also moves slightly, okay? shape is round curve. Round curve. And here we also have a liquid. A liquid does not have its own shape. It takes the shape of a container. Wow! This water is take the shape of this container. So just be careful when you do it, or the water will pour out like fountain. Here we have gases. Gases. When gas, here is this, a gas does not have its own shape. It is spread to fill the container. Yes, that's very interesting. Here, this air is fill up this balloon. Okay? It has fill up this balloon. Here we have a video of somebody fill up this balloon. Wow, it's going bigger, bigger, bigger. Oh, it's bigger. Wow. It's very big. If you see, oh, now it's pop up. If these people put out, it will pop. The air will flew out. Okay? So there are many balloons in here. Here we have a solid, vapor, liquid, container, gas, free. So we're going to go with our review exercise. Okay? A form of matter that flow. What is this? What is the matter that flow? It is a form of matter. It only has solid, liquid, and gases. So it will be a liquid. If you pour the liquid down, the liquid will flow slightly. Okay? Let's go with number 2. A form of matter with its own shape. It is solid. Solid is with its own shape. Okay? So just be careful. If you use a solid, a hammer is also a solid. It bang. Ouch! It will hurt your head, isn't it? And here we are number 3. A form of matter that spread fill all the space of a container. So this is the last form of the matter. What is this? It might be gas. Liquid, solid, gas. But solid first, that will be correct. Solid, liquid, gas. Number 2 will be number 1 and number 1 will be number 2. Okay? Let's come with our 4, 5, 6 to change from a liquid to a solid. We only have 3 of these, paper, container, and free. So what is this? It is changing from a liquid to a solid. Changing from a solid. So what will we do with this? It might be freeze. Freeze is the correct answer. Let's go with number 5. Water in the air that you can sometimes see. What is this? Is a container? No. Containers is not the air. In the here. something in a container, like this thing. This is a container. Okay? It's very hot. I use my hand to break it. Yeah. It's very hot. I cannot break it. So now put it back to its original shape. Okay. So it is a solid and it has its own shape. Here we have a life cycle of many things. Here this solid is ice, turn to water, turn to vapor, and vapor will turn to water, and water will turn to ice. So that will be a life cycle of solid, liquid, gas. So just be careful if you do this, okay? Let's come with a little bit. You can drink a water. You can put a cup of water, of ice. You can make the gas, so it will be a vapor, okay? Ice, water, vapor. Then we'll turn to this, and this will turn to ice. If you put it in a freezer is very cold. That's when you put outside, go melt it, and it will turn into water. Okay? Now let's come with our thing. Choose the correct form. Here we have solid. All of the metals, you know what is the first one. Here you can see is water. So here you can see this water here. So do you know water is a liquid or a solid? It will be a liquid. Liquid is water. You can drink with this water, and you can see it's made its own shape already. Now it's made its own shape by the container. And here you can see this is the ice, and it's very hot. It is the gas? No, the gas is air. Air that I can breathe. So it will be a solid. And here is our last one. Here you can see that it is not a solid. It is not like this. So what is this? What is this thing like? So it will be gases. Gases and vapor are opposite. Solid is solid and ice is vapor. Liquid and water is also a vapor. So let's come with our true or false question. Then let's take a break, a short break. A solid has its own shape. What is this? Why is the solid has its own shape? Yeah, it will be true. True is the correct answer. Solid has its own shape. Gas is matter that is solid? No, gas is not solid. Solid is not a gas. A gas is a vapor, not solid. So we might be choose false. Number 3, if you freeze water, it changes to ice. So this is true or false. You can know this. You a short break, isn't it? Okay. Bây giờ đến giờ nghỉ con ạ. Con nghỉ chút rồi con quay. Con gì đây? Gì đây?
Ra quay.
Kéo bụng luôn. Mất nhỉ? 35 phút mà. 35 phút. Thử làm xem. 35 phút đi nha. Hello. Hello everyone. And we'll talk about lesson 14, you know. So today we will talk about solid, liquid and gas and more vapors and many things else. Ethic. Matter has 3 forms. All things made of matter. So you can see that all things is made of matter. This chair, yeah, is also made of matter. And here we have solid. A solid is matter with its own shape. A rock and a book are solid. Even if we move a solid, it will keep its shape. So what is it? It is a solid or shape. Yeah, here a solid. Here you can see this solid. Solid. And it has its own shape. Its own shape is big, smaller, and smaller. And circle too. So let's come with flow and container. A liquid is matter that flow. Do you know what flow is? Oil or liquid. A liquid does not have its own shape. A liquid takes the shape of its container. Yes? Here. A liquid can also make containers of these too. It's very heavy. Put out this because there are a lot of book in here. One book, 2 book. Yes, so it will be very heavy. Okay. A gas. Let's come with gas. A gas is a matter that does not have its own shape like a liquid. A gas spread to fill all the face of its container. It's only come with the balloon and the air will spread and fill the space of it. Here you can see this air is spread all the air in that. into a liquid. An ice cream melt in the hot weather. Boil water and it turns to vapor. Here you can see now it is a vapors and it's now is vapors and it's turn into the air. If you in a hot day, it will boil your house, and your house very hot. And you will need a fan. Okay? So we are talking about freeze, melt, boil, and vapor. Let's come with our reading skill and idea and detail. Here we have matter has 3 forms. Do you know that matter has 3 forms? Here we are missing one of the 3 forms. We only have liquid and gas. It might be solid. Solid is the 3 form. It might be a 3 form, isn't it? So, solid is a matter with its own shape. What is this? Liquid. It does not have its own shape. It takes the shape of its feet. So, I have a line of views is start with letter C. Here we only have one of the letter C. It will be containers C and B. It will flow and it will be a container too. Flow container. So the last one you will know is air. So it might be air in a balloon, it's gas. Okay? It is a air in a pool is gas. If you blow up, it will be like this. But if pop up, you just put it, pop up. You fly into the air. Let's come with our generation. Let's come with number 1. Number 2, liquid. Choose liquid. We have water and balloon, 2. Water and oil, 2. And ice, 2. So what is this? You can know. This water and a balloon? Yes, water is a liquid, but a balloon, no, is a gas. Water. So A is not the correct answer. Let's come with B. Water and oil. Yes, that will be right. Water and oil is our 2 liquids, okay? Let's come with C. Gas and ice. No, not this. And ice is gas and solid. If the liquid turns to a solid, what is this? It is a liquid, and the liquid will turn into a solid. Oh, that's crazy. Very crazy, crazy, crazy. Very crazy, okay? So, freeze and a liquid. Freeze a liquid. If you blow up a liquid, have you ever blow up a liquid? Have you ever blow up the water? Yes. will become a vapor which go into the air. Is that right? We learned that? Yes. A is the correct answer. If you pour water, the water will melt. Have you ever seen the water melting down? No, a solid. Only an ice cube can melt and freeze into a vapor. We freeze into the vapor? No. Next, sea will melt and become ice. Will melt the water? No. So C is not a correct answer. Shh. It will be not a correct answer, okay? So C is not correct, so we should be A. Where when you blow up a balloon, the gas could all spread through the balloon. No, oils is the a liquid, okay? So you will not make this, right? So A is not the correct answer. Turn into water vapor? No, it's not a gas. It's also a liquid too. So it is the same of A. But it's not a correct answer. Cold air spread and fill the container, the space of it. A. Oh, that will be a correct answer. C is the correct answer. So you will try one, okay? Let's come with our motto then. Goodbye and see you next time, okay? Here what beep beep beep. What is this? Wow, that is how thing is very easy because we only have solid here, liquid here, and gas here. So the first one will be a solid. And the last one, you can see a lot of water in it, and it makes its container, so it will be right. And it's very easy. It will be liquid, because liquid here we have. Let's come with our another one. Okay. Does not. Okay. Gas. Gas? Yes, that's very easy. So it will be gas. Gas, liquid, gas, liquid. So just be careful if you make this, okay? So solid, liquid, and gas is our three matters. Number of them. So just remember, this is the three things you can learn, okay? So we have solid, liquid, gases. So let's read. A solid has its own shape. A liquid does not have its own shape.